Hey guys, my name is Stones Beast here, and I'm showing you guys all of my Nerf and Air Warriors guns through categories. Okay, let's go to it. This is my first gun. It's a Water Warriors Gargoyle, and it's a water gun, and I'm gonna show you guys all of it. Next gun. This is a dread shot, and it's super soaker, and it's a zombie strike water gun. Next is the pistols. This is a Cap 40, and at the end of the video I'll be showing you guys, I'll be shooting these. Okay? Now the shotguns. This is the first ever shotgun that I got for my birthday. It has no bullets, but it still works. Next category is the machine, the automatics. Yo, what the frick? And it's a hypo fire. It's a Nerf Strike Elite Hyper Fire. Next category. The assault rifles. I got two retaliators right here. There's one right here, the classic, and the and the blue retaliator. I got a built-in scope. I got the arm. I got the arm motor, and I got the magazine with 12 darts. And thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.